I made a long version of this video about this device and how I'm using it. Basically, I wanted to come up with an idea to have a ISP backup just in case my Fios goes down. This is my Fios ONT, and this is the connection that comes from my Orbi router that gives me internet around my whole home. So that's my Orbi mesh router. That black cable is connected to the internet port on the router. So if this ever goes down, I want to be able to have a backup while, let's say, they're working on something in Verizon or something, and I just need a backup for the night or for the day, and I can't afford to have my system down or my network down. I found this device, and this device allows me to tether my phone to it to allow me to get internet service. So in a pinch, I want to be able to use my phone's hotspot or tethering option to get internet right away. So let's just assume the worst. My Fios Verizon ISP goes down, and I have to make a quick switch to get internet service. So I just unplug this cable, plug it into one of the LAN ports in the back of this router. I've already configured this. You got to go in, configure it, put a password and everything, and set it up for tethering. And you configure it. You plug in the USB cable to your phone, and you can tether. You can also do something like a repeater, not using the cable, and you can use this. You can connect wirelessly from this to this in repeater mode. But I'm making it simple, tethering right to the router. Now this black cable is connected to the Orbi. Let me see if my network is still up. Yep, my network is still up. I didn't lose anything. I mean, I just did the switch, and the Orbi router and everything did a quick reconnect. Of course, you're not going to get the speeds you're going to get from your ISP. I have a 2 gig Fios ISP, but it's better than nothing, and it's great in a pinch. You're in a situation, you're working from home, or you got to make a Zoom call and you can't cancel it. This is a pretty cool option, at least for me, in an emergency. And I did the switch over, and look, it just came right back. It just came up. I did the switch pretty quickly. Now, I don't know if the switch occurred because of the Orbi router, but it came up and everything's working. So real quick, review again. Your ISP goes down. That's my Orbi router. I need to get internet to my whole home. I disconnect the Ethernet port from my ONT or my modem from my ISP. Plug it in here. This is connected to my phone using a USB-A to USB-C cable to my phone, and is tethering, providing internet service. And I configured this already, and all I had to do was plug in the LAN port, and everything came up and everything worked. I think it's a great idea, and it's a great backup option in a pinch. And for $30, well worth it. All right. Thank you. Bye.